Kim Zolciak, best known from the Real Housewives of Atlanta, recently opened up like never before about her long journey with plastic surgery and cosmetic enhancements, shedding light on why she's chosen to go under the knife, and sometimes under the needle, in her quest for confidence and self-love. Appearing on the premiere episode of Botched Presents, Plastic Surgery Rewind, which aired on July 9, the 47-year-old reality star spoke candidly with host Michelle Visage about the transformation she's undergone, the motivations behind them, and the mixed feelings she has about some of the results. Sitting across from Visage, Zolciak didn't hold back when explaining the circumstances that led her to consider further procedures. "I'm here because I'm going through a divorce and I've had some weight loss and I am a small-framed person," she admitted openly. The star explained that shedding about 10 pounds left her with unexpected loose skin, which made her self-conscious. In an attempt to fix it, she underwent contouring designed to tighten the skin from underneath, but ironically, it had the opposite effect, leaving her dissatisfied with the outcome. Beyond this recent setback, Kim detailed the range of cosmetic procedures she has embraced over the years. "I've done my boobs a few times and then I had a tummy tuck," she listed matter-of-factly, adding, "I did have filler in my lips. I do Botox all the time." Her honesty highlighted just how common and normalized these enhancements have become in certain circles. And for her, they were part of maintaining an image that she felt comfortable and confident in. Zolciak also tried a non-surgical skin tightening treatment known as Ultherapy, aimed at refining and lifting her jawline. Of all the treatments she's undergone, she shared that the only one she truly regretted was her most recent skin tightening procedure, which didn't deliver the results she hoped for. Despite the misstep, it hasn't changed her broader perspective on cosmetic enhancements. For Kim, the journey hasn't simply been about vanity, it's also about reclaiming her body after the profound changes brought by motherhood. "I sacrificed my body for 6 incredible humans, so I did a mommy makeover," she said, her voice tinged with both humor and honesty. She strongly pushed back against the notion that mothers should simply let themselves go, asserting instead that it's perfectly reasonable, and even empowering, to want to look and feel good again after childbirth. As a mother to Brielle, 27, Ariana, 23, Croy Jr., 13, Cash, 12, and twins Kaya and Kane, 11, Kim knows firsthand the physical toll pregnancy and childbirth can take. Her candidness about these challenges resonates with many women who grapple with body image after becoming mothers. In her eyes, investing in cosmetic enhancements was never about denying motherhood but about honoring both her role as a mom and her identity as a woman who still cares about her appearance. Reflecting on the influence of family, Kim also shared a memory from her own upbringing that shaped her perspective on cosmetic procedures. "My mom always said growing up, if I had really big ears or a really big nose that bothered me or whatever it may have been, she would have fixed it," Kim recalled. That open-minded approach stuck with her into adulthood, and she's carried the same philosophy into how she raises her own daughters. "I've always kind of said the same thing to my girls," she added, suggesting that the choice to alter one's appearance should come from a place of personal empowerment rather than societal pressure. Through her story, Kim Zolciak shines a light on the complex motivations behind cosmetic procedures. While critics might see it as chasing superficial perfection, her explanation paints a more nuanced picture. It's about regaining confidence, feeling comfortable in her own skin, and setting an example of self-care for her daughters. Even though not every procedure turned out perfectly, she remains unapologetic about her choices, standing firm in the belief that wanting to look your best, especially after the sacrifices of motherhood, is nothing to be ashamed of. In sharing her journey on Botched Presents, Plastic Surgery Rewind, Kim invited viewers to see the human side behind the glamorous reality TV persona. A woman navigating life changes, motherhood, and aging in the public eye, all while striving to feel good about herself. Her story is ultimately less about the procedures themselves and more about resilience, acceptance, and the ongoing search for self-confidence, even when the mirror doesn't always reflect exactly what we hope to see.